You said never let me go.
So check the fit, y'all. Let's tie the white shirt, the jacket, you know, we got the pants too. And if we look at her there, her name is Kamala Harris. Do you approve this message?
Yeah.
Say it. Say it.
Yes.
I'm Kamala Harris.
Oh, I'm Kamala Harris.
And
what?
you're gonna have to get on check, right? So when I say I'm Kamala Harris to you, you're gonna have to say I approve this message, okay?
I approve of this message.
On the count of 3. I'm Kamala Harris.
Where's the count of 3? I'm Kamala Harris.
Okay, so what we're not gonna do is be disrespectful too. We're gonna have to do this on the count of 3. There is no countdown. Okay? I'm Kamala Harris. Look at the camera.
I'm Kamala Harris. I approve of this message.
Where's the end? Where's the end?
And we about to have a problem, because why do you keep playing with me? I am Kamala Harris, and I approve of this message.
Yeah, she does. So now look at her fit. She got the Biden and Obama clothing, and she got the white shirt. She's trying to copy Obama. You already know.
No, he really was my twin today. He really tried to be like me. Got the same pants color on.
No, you copy me because Obama was first.
You got all them suits
Obama
in your
was
closet,
first.
and you chose that one.
Because this is what Obama wears. Obama was first.
And okay.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message. Yes.
Kipper. Okay, so let the people know. You want to read the people your speech? That's not yours.
Oh, you was about to rip your speech. Would have had this duct tape or whatever on it. Now, where's my speech? No, where's my paper?
I don't have yours. Look at you. Look, did y'all see him? He automatically thought it was me, and it was under his phone. See how he was about to get mad? So extra.
I was born in Honolulu. I was born in Honolulu. I graduated from Columbia University in 1983 with a Bachelor degree of Arts. With a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science, and later worked. I can't do this.
What is wrong?
My hands hurts.
And later worked as a community organizer.
No, let me do it. I'm better. I enrolled in Harvard Law School, where I was the first Black president of the Harvard Law Review. Guys, I'm going to MASC, by the way. Anyways, after a close primary campaign against Hillary Clinton, I was nominated by and Daniel invited me to by the Democratic Party for president. I defeated Republican John McCain. Who am I? Who do you think I am?
Everyone can tell who you are without.
No, Oni, could you help me? Because I'm trying to I don't want people to really know that it's me. So
they can see without, right? Like you look just like him.
Because the school officer was like, "Oh, it was too easy. Like, why did you do that?"
Go slowly.
But I said, "Miss." Go ahead. Ain't nobody stopping.
See, I ran against Trump.
Yeah. And lost, unfortunately.
We don't need it.
I was born in Oakland, California on October.
Well, yeah, she won in our hearts.
I was born in Oakland, California on October 20th, 1964.
Was she born or was she an immigrant?
Her parents.
Oh, so she was fatherless, right? Okay.
I graduated from Howard University and the University of California, Hastings College of the Law. I am an American politician and attorney who served as the 49th Vice President on the United of the United States from 2021 to 2025 under President Joe.
Yeah, that is. Everything is like
What?
You're not even paying attention.
Because I'm hearing you. I'm hearing
I was the
you. I
first
already
female
heard this.
U.S. vice
No,
president.
let me read this with a little more slack.
Let me finish. I lost where I was at. Okay. I was the first female U.S. vice president, making me the highest ranking female official in U.S. history. I was also the first American. Let me.
the first American what?
I was born in Oakland, California. on October 20th,
Female
1960.
vice president.
I graduated from Howard University and University of California, Hasten College of the Law. I'm an American politician and attorney who served the 49th president of the United States from 2021 to 2025 under the President Joe Biden. I was the first female U.S. vice president, making the highest ranked female official in the U.S. history, 2011 to 2017. I am a member of the Democratic Party, a member of the I am a member of the Democratic Party. A
Member of the Democratic Party. I was the party's nominee in the 2024 presidential election. Who am I?
I am a member of the Democratic Party. A member of the Democratic Party. Twice, I was the party nominee of 2024 presidential election. That don't make sense. You need to cut one out. Adara's handwriting is very nice. You guys need to see this. You see how she was the date. Now, doing my name was not correct, but y'all see this?
aggressive.
I was complimenting you too.
Thank you. So Russell, you already like went on stage, right? In front of the crowd and went?
You already know the answer.
Let the people know. I'm gonna take it out next time.
I'm confused what happened.
Oh, why could I always look at the box or something?
Did I miss something?
Because why she bopped me in the face?
No, I didn't. I grabbed your earpod.
She bopped me in the face, yo. Now give me my phone.
Almost got it. But how do you feel about going on stage? Did the audience guess who you were?
Instantly.
They instantly.
All I said
Because
was,
you look like it. You don't even have to say your speech. Everybody
guys,
knows.
put in the chat, do I look like Barack Obama or not? No, because they were saying Malcolm X. Some of these people. I don't
You can see
it.
that too. You can see
Malcolm
me.
X is a darker pigmentation of me. Like, I
If you
don't
would have had your glasses.
Huh?
I guess we just ain't we not gonna hear.
Yeah, so does she look like Kamala? Because I don't think so.
But you know, it's just how it is.
What did you say?
What happened? But we should find a TikTok where Barack and Kamala are saying like a speech.
Yeah, and then let's tag Barack Obama and say, Dad, it's me. It's your son. you already know that it was a late night with my mother, and that's how I was born.
Like literally, they over my both all over her hands.
And you left. You didn't want me.
No, the whole dad is the funny.
And you didn't want me. So, this is my call back to you. That's good. Huh?
Oh my God, why are they calling him over there? And I'm finna take pictures of him.
Learn to enjoy each other's company in silence. For the love of God.
Look how I look in his camera, y'all.
But I ain't even trying.
His camera low key good sometimes. Today it was actually.
It was acting up, y'all. No. Let's criticize Samsung, and we gonna tag Samsung in this video. I'm pissed. Do you see this? Why is it falling out my ear every 3 hours? Because my ears are sweaty. Y'all should use styrofoam instead of rubber. Who asked y'all to use rubber? Silicone. Ain't nobody want that up in their shit. Because now my ear got a rash. And you know I love y'all products. But if y'all continue to do this, I will move to iPhone. Y'all try me. Do you see these 3 cameras? None of them work the way I was supposed to. Why is the S21 Ultra better than this shit? Y'all get your act together before I have to fix y'all. Because you're going to lose another customer. The whole Reddit page, they are all talking about you. They're all talking about you. No, let's talk about Samsung. Because I be motivating y'all. I got the Samsung watch. Got the Samsung phone. Got the Samsung earbuds. Got the Samsung laptop. Every shit up in my house is Samsung. So why the hell? So why the hell are y'all doing this to me? This is not correct. Like, tag Samsung in this, right? You gonna tag me? Y'all get your act together.
This is why. This is the proper protocol.
Proper protocol.
To like, cause it show that you know what you're doing. Like look at any government office, like where like a law office.
Yeah, you gotta record this. Record my face first. Yep.
That's Makai.
What's Makai again? Better transition. I like that. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. A little bit louder.
On August 4th, 1960, I graduated from Columbia University in 1983 with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science and later worked as a community organizer in Chicago. In 1988, I enrolled in Harvard Law School, where I was the first Black president of the Harvard Law Review. I was nominated by the Democratic Party for president, and in 2008 and defeated Republican